You will love the features of this 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, trip computer, automatic headlights. Feel energized and confident in this well-equipped Jetta. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.